everybody, my name is Olinella and I want to invite you to the Mandala Workshop that I will keep in a few days on the 17th of May. Mandala has something that has been inspiring me ever since, and I want to share this experience with you and my knowledge about it. I will show you images taken from nature where we see natural mandala, both at the micro and the macro level. I will also show you some examples from architecture and from decorative elements that we can see actually all around the world, and also some information about the aspect that is more connected with spirituality and this kind of shapes. I will also show some elements regarding colors and the impact that the colors have upon ourselves and upon our inner state. And I will guide you throughout the entire journey of the creative process of the mandala, step by step, and also including some exercises that will help your focus and your attention to clear up your mind and to really enter in a calm and harmonious inner state from which you can create and really experience true inspiration.